Hey guys, Choppers Rule 1 here. Well, I bet you're wondering what this piece of board is and what those pieces of boards over there are. Well, this is the start of Chopper's train. Yes, that's right. I'm building a train and I'm going to put it on a mobility scooter chassis. So if you look at this one, there's the front. So that'll be the nose. Put that over there. These here are the sides for the boiler. So they're the sides for the boiler. They'll sit this way, of course. Here we go. This is for the cab. So this is the piece for the cab. Probably be the front piece, I reckon. And then they'll have the back piece. And then we have the door. Like there. Now the only thing is, I'm missing the roof. They cut everything else out for me. And I just realised they didn't cut my roof out. Or either that or I lost it, one or the other. But that's all right, no dramas. I shall make a roof. It's not really great dramas. But this is for cook stuff, for me cookie, little monster kitty. I think he's going to love that. So I'll have to sand it all back and sort it all out. But we now have a 3-day lockdown, emergency lockdown here in Townsville, because some moron came up from Brisbane with COVID and didn't realise it and wandered around Magnetic Island, wandered around Townsville in the markets, and now we're all on lockdown. But I still got to work. I'm essential services, so it's all good, guys. We're all pretty safe. So yeah, just thought I'd give you a bit of an update of what it is, and hopefully I can get about putting it together soon. And if you see these things over here, yeah, that's another video. Yes, Chopper's up to it again, up to something else. All right, guys, bye for now.